Your girl is a little bit tired today. Got an iced coconut mocha from my local coffee shop. Photo shoot outfit of the day. We're going with mascara I slept in. Then we got the wolf shirt and some sweatpants. Hair is not really great right now. Makeup is not really great right now, but the wolf shirt is slaying, so. It's the night before my very first in-house studio shoot. I just set this up a couple hours ago. I already had the stand, so I ordered the clips, the backdrop, and I got this plastic thing at Lowe's. I have all of the pieces that need to be shot for my website hanging over there. I was doing some inventory shots, so that's why the sweater's on the mannequin right now, and tomorrow is the very first day that I'm gonna be using it, so I'm extremely excited. This is the spread, and then this is the other spread of accessories and shoes. Hair ribbons, brushes, headbands, and then these are some hand gloves that is made out of scrap fabric that I'm going to be also selling on my website and like testing out and see if people like those or not. And over here I've got a bunch of my own clothes that are just like basics to pair with the items we're gonna shoot. And that is where I throw things that I don't know what to do with. People give me a lot of clothes, I get overwhelmed. Anything that isn't stressing me out goes in that closet. So we sort through her every once in a while, but yeah. Since we're here and I'm waiting for the first two models to show up, we're gonna make myself a little charcuterie spread. 2 slices of cheese, a couple crackers, 2 little strawberries, 1 little malt ball to start off. Probably not a great idea to like eat a bunch of sugar right in the morning. I say that as I drink like a completely sugar drink. So we're gonna start with some cheese for some protein. Wow, that lighting is super yellow. I got my little workstation set up right here. In between like shooting looks today, I have to finish answering some interview questions. A local magazine is doing like a little story / interview on me and my business and like what it's like to do fashion. Kind of excited for that to come out. I have to finish the questions and they're due today, so I gotta finish those and send those off. That might be Daisha. Let's get some music pumping. I don't like awkward silence. This is me vlogging in a way without vlogging. Look 3.
I love this skirt. This skirt is so cute. I feel like a cheerleader.
It is currently March 21st. I am launching my website March 23rd. I have a lot of work to do. I need to photograph all of the pieces on either one of mannequins in front of here so that I can like do my little clothing icons that I like to do. It's not like the worst process ever, so I gotta do the whole rack. So I also have this little arm piece, so I gotta figure out how to photograph this so that I can like Photoshop it into here. One final little shoot before the launch tomorrow. Gabby is doing me a solid. Okay, wait, shake hair out a little bit. Okay, good. I got you rolling your eyes at me. And she's live. The link is in the description for the cool people who want to check it out, but before this video ends, I'm gonna give a quick little tour / preview because I'm really excited about it. The catalog is the main shopping page with the more everyday wear items. Each piece is one of a kind and handmade using 90% upcycled materials. I have items ranging from size extra extra small to extra large and prices ranging from $15 to $300, so hopefully you can find something that interests you. To see all of my hard work with the photo shoots and editing, just click on an item. Even if you don't plan on buying something, I'd still love for you to just browse because I put a lot of work into the scheduling, photo shoots, styling, and editing. But also feel free to add items to your cart and check out. Now onto my favorite part of the website, my interactive lookbook. Here I have curated sets of photos from each season of my very first runway show, and I also have a couple YouTube videos on that show / the process if you're interested. I'll put the link in the description. Anyways, you can click on whatever season piques your interest. I recommend clicking on all of them just to check them out. Here you can browse the pictures and listen to the top secret soundbar, which I'm not going to play for you because if you're curious, then you're forced to go check it out yourself. Sorry, not sorry. This has been in the works for like the past 2 years now, so I'm super happy to finally have my brand out to share. If you guys know anyone you think might vibe with my work or be interested, be a real G and take a few seconds to send them this video and or the link to my website. And if you're interested to see what I do in the future, don't forget to subscribe. Please like this video because it really does help boost them with YouTube's algorithm. And also follow me on Instagram. My personal is at @AOliviaB. And if you're really interested in my fashion, you can follow at arrri clothing.